Hello traders, welcome to my channel, Sam Trading Strategies. In today's video, I'm sharing a simple and effective pocket option trading strategy using only 2 indicators. Many of you requested a strategy using the Fractal Indicator, so this video is for you. I've combined the Fractal Indicator with the Donchian channels to create a simple and effective strategy. I'll explain the settings for both indicators later in the video, so make sure to watch till the end to fully understand how the strategy works. Watching only parts of the video could cause confusion, and you might miss key details. So stick around to get the full picture and test the strategy with confidence. Risk warning: trading involves significant financial risks. Past performance does not guarantee future results. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always trade responsibly and consult a financial advisor if needed. Candle time frame and trade expiry. Set the candle time frame to 1 minute. Use a trade expiry of 5 minutes. The strategy rules: when the price touches the upper line of the Donchian channel and reverses, and you see a sell arrow from the Fractal Indicator, take a sell trade with a 5-minute expiry. When the price touches the lower line of the Donchian channel and reverses, and you see a buy arrow from the Fractal Indicator, take a buy trade with a 5-minute expiry. Avoid taking trades against a strong trend. This strategy can help you identify potential setups, but remember, market conditions can affect results. Now let's see this strategy in action with live examples. Watch carefully so you understand how to apply it step by step. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future strategies. Alright traders, let's get started. This sell trade setup follows our trading rules perfectly. Here's why. The candle reversed after touching the upper line of the Donchian channel, and we also received a sell arrow from the Fractal Indicator. Important note: trading in over-the-counter, OTC markets can be volatile and carry significant risk. Please trade carefully and ensure you fully understand the risks. To stay safe, always start by testing this strategy on a demo account. Practicing on a demo account helps you refine your skills without risking real money. Now let's wait and see how this trade turns out. We've won this trade. This setup worked exactly as planned, giving us a profitable result. That's the benefit of following a clear and proven strategy. Now let's stay patient and wait for the next perfect trade setup. Remember, success in trading isn't about rushing. It's about following the rules and waiting for the right opportunities. Patience and discipline are key to consistent trading success. Here's another sell trade setup that follows our trading rules. In this setup, the candle reversed after touching the upper line of the Donchian channel, and we also received a sell arrow from the Fractal Indicator. The Fractal Indicator helps traders identify potential trend reversals. However, keep in mind, on the pocket option platform, the buy and sell signals from the Fractal Indicator appear after 3 candles, as you just saw. This delay ensures that the signal will not be repainted, making it more reliable. If the signal appears on a live candle, trading becomes easier, but there's a risk that the signal could repaint. We've won this trade. This shows how effective the strategy can be when followed properly. Now let's stay focused and patient as we wait for the next trade setup. Remember, trading is all about sticking to the rules and waiting for the right opportunities. You might think this sell trade setup follows our trading rules because the candle reversed after touching the upper line of the Donchian channel, and a sell arrow appeared from the Fractal Indicator. But that's not entirely correct. Let's look at the bigger picture. Before this fractal sell signal, the market was in a strong bullish trend, with one bullish candle forming after another. Even though the price is currently at a strong resistance level, the market is unpredictable. As I've mentioned before, it's best to avoid trading in a strong trending market, as it increases the risk of losing trades. I took this trade as an example to show you what to watch out for in such situations. We've won this trade, but it's important to note that this win wasn't due to the strategy. It happened by luck and chance. To understand why, let's review the same chart. The candle reversed after touching the upper line of the Donchian channel, and a sell arrow appeared from the Fractal Indicator. Now, I'll take another sell trade in the same situation to show you how risky it can be to trade in a strong trending market. This is exactly why we should avoid such setups. Let's wait and see the result of this trade to understand the dangers more clearly. As we've seen, this trade didn't go as planned, and that's why I warned you earlier about the risks involved. Now, here are some practical tips for trading binary options. Stick to a set number of trades per session to avoid making emotional decisions. Avoid overtrading, as it can lead to poor choices and unnecessary losses. Use a fixed percentage of your account balance for each trade, around 1 or 2%. Don't try to chase losses by increasing your trade sizes recklessly. Focus on assets with high payout rates, usually 80% or higher, to maximize your returns. Practice on the pocket option demo account to improve your strategy without risking real money. Now, let's quickly go over the settings for the two important indicators in this strategy. Set the Fractal Indicator period to 3. Set the Donchian Channel period to 20. All right, that's it for today. Make sure to practice and master this strategy. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with your fellow traders. Your support helps the channel grow, and I can continue creating more content for you. Good luck with your trading journey, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye, and happy trading.